in enumeration which is happening, the forms which have to be distributed, those forms, they are being distributed in madrasa, in masjid, in local leader, Congress local leader, residences, and some of the Muslim locality to given to imams, mutawallis, and they are doing it. And these are all the things which I have give myself, Kumaraswamy, and other leaders, we have given. These are the some of the photographs, and more than 25. Both we have given pen drive also on this video. What is being done is, even DCs have given, some of the DCs and some of the ROs, AROs, they have given statement. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, these are considered as the relatives. But they themselves, they have given a statement saying that all relatives are okay. Then what is this nonsense is what is happening? And in a single place, what is the purpose of enumeration? When you go for the enumeration, whoever is dead, his name, if BLA2 is there, he can explain. These people are not informing the BLA2 because they are sitting in single place. And if at
This
all
video is
somebody has
presented
shifted,
by OSM Group.
BLA2 will be
आपके
knowing
घर
it
की
because
क्वालिटी
BLA2 is
कंस्ट्रक्शन,
the local
प्रीमियम
from that
इंटीरियर्स और
booth.
बेस्ट बिल्डिंग
This
मटेरियल्स
is
के
not
लिए
being done.
OSM रहेगा
It
आपकी
is
बेस्ट
done
चॉइस। फ्री
in some of
कंसल्टेशन के
the
लिए जरूर विजिट करें
marketplaces.
OSM ऑफिस।
These are all evidences which have come through the media itself, national media itself, state media itself. And in spite of all these things, from last 7 days, many people, first Vijendra, second Nikhil Kumaraswamy, third Chalwadi Narayan Swamy, all they have given complaint. But so far, state government has not initiated any action, and we have urged CEO of the commission here in Karnataka to immediately take action. First of all, on the erring officer, he has to act. They should be suspended henceforth. Second thing is, all these enumeration which has happened in last 1 week, that itself, prima facie, it shows that it is illegal, it is immoral, it is against the guidelines of the Election Commission.
Today, again, we have given all documentary evidences how this government misusing the office by giving direction to our officers, how to behave and how to illegally actually include the names for the future their actually interest. For that reason, they have misusing the office of the government. That's why today, with the documentary evidences under both our central ministers and our leaders, we have given some documents. Then we requested him give direction to the central state government to take some action against. At least if you taken the action, then at least it will be fair enough to work these officers.
It's a big scandal in Karnataka regarding SIR. That's why we demand the election commissioner, please intervene immediately, because the rules strictly says every house they have to visit the government officials. Now there is no, in the street, in the market, in the masjid, hall, community halls, they're just like issuing a pamphlet, election pamphlet. This is not good. It is a sanctity. SIR is a sanctity. Revision is going on. Congress party, they want to increase their minority vote. That's why they are deleting all other communities, all Hindus, Christian, Parsi. No, they are don't worry about any community. They are only worried about Muslim community. That is happening. That's why Congress people, we are objecting now. All our protest, object, everything we are doing. Congress party is silent. Means they are provoking, they are doing, they are misusing the government officials. That's why I think tomorrow we'll go to meet National Election Commissioner also. Tomorrow, I think.
this kind of abuse or misuse is happening. So we have brought to the notice of the Election Commission, and more so the irresponsible statements been made against the Election Commission by ministers. Something, strong action has to be taken, a strong message, suspension of those officers who have enabled the mass enumeration to happen in the public spaces. They should be suspended, by thereby sending a strong message to the officers who are in hand and glove with the Congress leaders.